Hey cousins, how you all doing? Hope all is well. Little bit of sad news. One news I go around say two Jamaican them finding one plane wheel, the landing gear of the plane, and them find them dead. Allegedly, them not sure if it's Jamaican, but in the Jamaica Observer, Jamaica today, they carry the news that they found two bodies in there allegedly to be Jamaicans. It's so sad. I am not sure if it's Jamaican. Everybody has said Jamaican them. Why? Because it's a Jetblue plane, and it takes off from Jamaica. It left from Kingston, Jamaica. It went to New York. It spent a little time in New York. They said they were allegedly in the wheel compartment at that time, and then it went to um Alaska, Salt Lake City. You went to Salt Lake City and spent a little time, they said. And after that, they went to Florida, spent a little time there also. And then it finally went to Colorado. Guys, it's sad. And that's where they find the two bodies. They were doing like a maintenance check. You know, after the plane land, they want to know if everything all right and right. So they were doing a checkup. And when they find the two men. It was allegedly two men they find in there dead. They call the doctors and stuff like that. So they pronounce them dead on spot. They're not sure what killed them, but obviously at the cold eat and all of that. Maybe if them are left from Jamaica, that means that them not have no proper gear, them not have no winter jacket, them not have nothing. Maybe they have one little sweater or two little sweater that now gonna help the situation. Because in a New York it was like freezing, and I heard it was Monday. So it was freezing. Freezing. So, if they left from Jamaica, which is good, went there to New York, freezing, spend a little time there, them not come out. And I like them come out and go stretch them legs and get a little fresh air and something. No, they didn't come out. Then they went to Salt Lake, and then there is cold also. So then cold, they just spend a little time there. Then they went to Florida, which is not cold. So then kind of eat down. But who to know? Who knows where they meet them demise? Who knows where they meet them demise? So after they left Florida, now they went to Colorado, and that's where they find their body. Guys, it's a sad story. But anyway, if them left from Jamaican and a Jamaican, then that means that they enter the plane from Kingston, right? And if they enter the plane from Kingston, how did they get in there? How did they get in there? It's an inside job. It's an inside job because if them get the plane from there and them go to New York on the plane, even why they never even come off of New York? Why they never come off of New York? We say okay, you then say all right, then they have their little life for themselves. But anyway, if they left from Jamaica, that means that somebody then give them money. I pay them where. Just like how pay them the rest of people them inside of the plane pay them where if you go to whisper at them a go. Yes. Because we Jamaican, we love to tip off and pee off and do all kind of thing because we want to reach where we want to reach. I pay somebody off over there, down there, if you get in at the plane, the plane landing gear. And at the landing gear then there. And you can't get in a landing over there so unless somebody in at the region there. Cause you can't get through when I walk up on plane. Yes, you have some people that did it the other day in the States where this other girl went to Paris from New York and stuff like that. But when she reached there, they find her. And so other people, they then get through. See, but in the wheel of the plane and a Jamaica. We know how Jamaica stay. As long as you have money. As long as you have money, you can pay your way through anything. Even if you gonna hell and you have money, you can pay off a Jamaican to carry you out. Yes. We are very good and we are very bad. Anything we do to the best of our ability. If we are do good, we do it to the best of our ability. And if we are do bad, we do it best of our ability. Yes, we do. But it's so sad though. It's so sad. It's sad. It's sad. It's sad because everybody wants to leave Jamaica. Yes, we all want a good life, and yes, we all want good things and all of that. But this is not the way how to do it, because when you think about it, look how far up in the air the plane go. Sometimes when you sit down inside of the plane, you feel so nervous, you feel so bad. Sometimes some of we can't take height and all of them sitting there. And when you down in the plane, in the wheel of the plane, and when the wheel go down and then sitting there, you're afraid to drop out and all of them sitting there. One day they not think about all of that when time them are going there. Or then just think about a better land, a bigger foreign. Whenever them just think about me have to reach a foreign. It no matter how me want to reach a foreign, but me have to reach a foreign. But I have to think about it because it's like a 50-50 chance. You can't reach or yet you cannot reach, you know. You can't reach and yet still you still cannot reach. Look where you're sitting. Nowadays, look my plane accident a go on. And you in at the wheel. And you got so much cities. So much different cities and you no come out of it because they have to land, they have to light down the wheel and stuff like that. But who knows where they meet their demise? Because maybe from them go up in the ear, leaving from Jamaica, go up in the ear if you go to New York. I can't write the saying. Nobody knows because they have to do like an autopsy now if you know when they dead and how they dead. Or if a somebody really alive them and put them in there, or the way or then go in there and they eat the thing the cold ear or far then go up in a ear that kill them or make them unalive or stuff like that. They might do autopsy. They're gonna do an autopsy. I don't know. But it is sad. My condolence to the families. My condolence to the families because then gonna have family up there wait upon them. Then gonna have family up there wait upon them when they never come off of New York or they never come off of Florida. Because why they wouldn't come off one of them the big state? No, no. Me no know. The situation is just hard. It's really hard. For real. Guys, have a pleasant night and God bless.